Hello YouTube, hello the Silver Forum. I've got some more NGC unboxing tonight. I've not pre-recorded anything, I'm just going to open the boxes and waffle away. We can have a look together. We need it in wide lens because we've got quite a few boxes to go through. Let's have a look what we've got in the first box. Got PF69 Ultra Cameo. The half ounce silver Brit. It's one of my favourite designs, this one. PF67, a 2007 Brit. I think these were bought on the secondary market, and they did have the odd handling mark on these, so 67, it is what it is. Another one there, the one I think that's the best design in my opinion. There's been a few special designs over the years, but that one I sort of really like. Again, another PF67. Another silver Brit, PF66 this time. And even with it being a 66, when you look at this up close and personally, it's still a great looking coin. But sometimes, you know, just people do just want the magic number on the top of the label. So there is some bargains to be had if you're shopping around and you just want a nice coin. But not a bad coin nevertheless. And a PF69. And in some cases, the difference between a 69 and a 70 is indistinguishable. You can't see the difference between a 69 and a 70 in most cases, and sometimes that can be a really frustrating thing with getting coins graded. Let me have a look. Oh, we've got a PF69 Ultra Cameo gold 1 ounce Brit. This one came to me and it did have red spots on it, and I took the red spots off this coin before it was submitted. The gentleman in question bought this as pretty much bullion price, so it's a no-brainer. He's picked it up for bullion, comes back at PF69. I think he's done quite well with that one. I think I might have the picture of the red spot before I took it off, but it's no longer on the coin there. Oh, what a gem. 2012 PF70 special year sovereign. These are quite hard in my opinion to get 70s on these. I've submitted a few over the years and I've not done dramatically well with these ones. It just might have been a bogey coin, but this one's an absolute gem, and yes, highly collectible coin. This one, I would say that one is a gift that keeps on giving. We've got another special year sovereign, PF69 this time. Great looking coin. One short off the full marks, but nevertheless, I think that's a really good coin. Oh, the 1980 PF69 Ultra Cameo. I did a little bit of work on this. This one had red spots on it in the corner there. I might just link the video in there which just show the before and afters. This one was in quite a sorry state when I got this, and I spent a bit of time removing the red spots and the greasy fields, and taking quite a sad looking sovereign to a PF69. I think that's as good a result it was ever going to get. But if I can find the video, I'll show you the befores and after this coin. So 69 for that one, not bad at all. And we've got PF64. I think that's a bit mean, in my opinion. Yes, there's the odd tiny contact mark on the coin. It's very hard to see it once the coin's been encapsulated, because sometimes you can pick up sort of micro scratches on the capsule and it's not on the coin. So 64, I think that's a bit on the mean side, but nevertheless it's a nice coin, and I'm sure it'll look good in the collection somewhere. Well, we're 5 minutes in, I'm only into one box. I need to speed up, I'm waffling at it. Box number 2. Oh, what a fantastic coin. 2019 Delhi Sovereign MS70 deep proof like. These are a gem for a modern collector, and some of these have been going for big money, especially the 2020, but the 2019 I with the Indian mint mark, we zoom in there just above the date. Yeah, that's a gem. Oh, need no introduction. That these are absolute the gift that keeps on giving. Yeah, get these graded, come out at 70. It's instant money, but you've got to do your own research there. I'm not telling you what to do, but a 70 in that, you're not going to complain. Oh, another nice one. PF70 Ultra Cameo, Yale Beaufort, the quarter-ounce gold. Good result. That was another gold-proof Brit that was bought as bullion, and again that came in at quite a sorry state. Come back at 69. Happy with that. Now onto some silvers. And silvers have taken a bashing at the NGC. Not just mine, I know somebody else who grades quite a lot, and they're having similar results for me. Not got the top marks, PF69. Another one getting a 69. Another one got a 69. Yeah, it's a bitter pill to swallow sometimes when they come through like that, but that's what it is. That's the look of the draw. We've got a 70. I might just do a separate video between a 69 and a 70, and the differences are, yeah, I think the differences can be brutal sometimes. Got another 69, the Seymour Panther. 68, and that's a brand new coin from the Royal Mint, getting the 68. Yeah, that's a tough one to swallow, but that's where we're at. Another 68. And we've got a lovely Year the Dog MS70 from the Australian Mint. Nice little coin. Let me rattle through these. What we got here? What we got here? Oh, some gems. We have got a 2022, the £5 Brilliant Uncirculated. So this one's come back as an MS69 matte. These are a beautiful coin. I was saying to a fellow collector the other day, the finish on these are beautiful. They've almost got like a pearlescent finish. And again, a little bit a nudge disappointing that I didn't get the big mark, because I've had a look at this in closer detail and it looks spot on. But again, that's the look of the draw sometimes with NGC. Same again, but we've got a 70. These are a great coin, and these are the first release labels, so you can get a coin designated first release. I think it's within about the first 30 days or so. Sometimes you get a bit longer. And again, the finish on these coins are just mega. And another one, he says casually. And another one. Slightly off centre that in the capsule, as you can see there. It's not just a bit off, it's quite a... We've got an MF70 again, but that one I will be sending back just to get the people at the NGC to put it in kind of like that. It is a bit out of skew, but I'll forgive him for that one. There's 3 more coins in there which I'm going to do a separate video on. It's well worth it. We have got a 2010 PF70 Ultra Cameo, and again this one come to me in quite a sorry state. Come back at 70, can't complain. And again with the 2009, that again was in a sorry state. I think they've been handled by the gentleman's, used to say, younger teenagers at some point in their life. I think these are the gentleman's children's birthday, if I remember rightly. I might be wrong, but they definitely had been handled. There was some fingerprint marks on there. I managed to spend a bit of time and remove them, so it got a 70. And the last box, which one's this one? I forgot. Oh, here we go. We have got the 2022 PA4 One Sovereign. This one's come up as a PF69. Yeah, it is spotless, this coin. I've had a right good look at that, and it's absolutely, it looks flawless. I've definitely sent worse coins back to the raw mint to reject them, and for that one to get a 69 is a little bit on the mean side. But that's just my opinion. We've got another one which has come back as a PF70. Yeah, what can I say about this? These PA4 sovereigns, the 2022, are the last proof sovereign of Queen Elizabeth II's reign, so I think these are quite a special coin for some collectors. I will be definitely keeping a couple of these myself. Nice to get the top marks on the coin. And with it being PA4, it's just double thickness. It's hard to see it in the slab, but it's just twice as thick as a normal sovereign. I think the raw mint, I've just got these on the website this evening. I think they're selling these for 1,895 quid. It's quite a nice margin that when you calculate the original RRP for these. So I think people who bought these, and again, when these were launched, there was people, should I say, poo-pooing these especially on the silver form. I got a few different conversations with people. They were, oh no, we don't want it, we don't like it, and found that, you pay your money, take your chance. And unfortunately, this second Queen Elizabeth II sadly passed away. They couldn't buy him quick enough, which is a little bit macabre, in my opinion. But that's how the market is. But these sovereigns are great. The last proof sovereign of Queen Elizabeth II reign, God bless her soul. Nice coin to have. And another PF70, he says casually. And the last one in this box is another PF70 PA4. What's not to like? So that's my fast box unboxing this evening. So excuse my thumb, it's not dirty, I'll wax it with a hammer. Yeah, so that's the unboxing tonight, and I've got quite a few more coming. There's been a lot of chatter with the new sovereigns that have been coming out, the King Charles sovereign. I will be getting a few of them. No doubt I'll definitely be grading a few of those. I'm just going to leave you with this. What's the star of the show tonight? I think those. Yeah, I think those have got to be the star of the show. We'll never see a sovereign again. I don't think with Queen Elizabeth II on the coin, so they've got to be. These are the real special ones of the show tonight. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon with lots more goodies. Set up.